Hey, my fabulous friends, can you believe it? Summer is just around the corner with only 97 days left to go. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to hit the beach, chill by the pool, and soak up the sun. And you know what would make all that even better? Feeling super confident and amazing in our swimsuits. I know what's going through your mind. Getting to that level of confidence can be a struggle. But here's the great news. You don't need to be super lean to look and feel fantastic. In fact, I've put together an easy-to-follow 3-part program that'll help you shrink your belly and reduce body fat in just 3 months. Yep, you heard that right. 3 months. I've been in your shoes, trying to find the right balance and plan to get in shape. And believe me when I say that this program has been a game changer for me. So, I'm inviting you to join me on this journey to a fitter, more confident version of ourselves. It's time to say goodbye to self-doubt and hello to that summer body we've always wanted. Let's team up and embark on this exciting adventure together. We'll share tips, progress updates, and most importantly, tons of motivation and support along the way. Are you ready to transform your body and enjoy the best summer ever? Let's dive right in and get started on our incredible journey towards a healthier and more confident us. Part 1. Your food plan. All right, my friends, before we jump into anything else, let's have a real heart-to-heart about food. We all know that food is the fuel that powers our bodies, but it's also a huge source of enjoyment and comfort for many of us. That's why it's essential to create a food plan that not only helps us achieve our fitness goals, but also makes us happy and satisfied. A truly successful food plan is one that's high in protein, easy to prepare, properly calculated, sustainable in the long run, and, most importantly, includes foods that you genuinely enjoy eating. The goal here is to transform your body composition without ever feeling like you're on a strict diet or punishing yourself. Now let's break it down a bit further. About 80% of what you eat should consist of nutrient-dense, wholesome foods like rice, beef, fruit, eggs, steak, shrimp, veggies, chicken, wild fish, and potatoes. These are the building blocks that'll provide your body with the fuel it needs to perform at its best. But don't worry, you don't have to give up all your favorite treats. The remaining 20% of your diet can be filled with the foods you love. Just make sure to stay within your daily calorie limit. This approach allows you to indulge guilt-free while staying on track with your goals. Now, depending on your specific goal, whether it's to lose weight or gain muscle, you'll need to adjust your calorie intake accordingly. To lose weight, eat 200 fewer calories than your BMR, basal metabolic rate, and to gain weight, add 300 more calories to your total daily burn. Always remember, calories are the most crucial factor in determining whether you lose, gain, or maintain weight. To help you create a personalized and effective food plan, here are my top 5 tips that have worked wonders for me. Find 5 high-protein meals that are quick to make and align with your calorie goals. Make these your go-to meals and enjoy the simplicity of not having to decide what to eat every day. We all love snacking, but it's essential to choose healthy options. Allocate some of your daily calories for these snacks to keep you satisfied without derailing your progress. I know it's tough, but try to avoid alcohol. It can make things more difficult by adding empty calories and impacting your willpower. Be brutally honest with yourself. If you're not seeing the progress you want, there's a 90% chance you're consuming too many calories. Track your intake and adjust as needed. And finally, if you're going to have a cheat meal, either fast for the rest of the day or make sure it still fits within your daily calories. Life is about balance, after all. So there you have it. By following these guidelines and making your food plan personal and enjoyable, you'll be well on your way to achieving your body transformation goals without feeling deprived. Trust me, I've been there, and making these changes has made all the difference. Let's do this together and create a food plan that works for us. Part 2. Your exercise plan. All right, my friends, we've covered food, and now it's time to dive into the other crucial component of our body transformation journey: exercise. I can't stress enough how important it is to find the right balance between a solid food plan for fat loss and an effective workout routine for muscle building. The perfect workout plan should be time efficient, target all muscle groups, and help you build muscle consistently. I promise you, when you find that sweet spot, the results will be mind-blowing. So, let me share with you the workout routine that has worked wonders for me. It's a simple yet effective approach that involves alternating between 3 different workout days. Day 1, push, chest, shoulders, triceps. Day 2, legs, quads, hams, glutes, calves. Day 3, pull, back, traps, and biceps. This routine ensures that you're hitting all your major muscle groups, giving them the attention they need to grow and develop. And don't worry, I've got you covered. Check the description for a list of specific exercises for each day so you know exactly what to do when you hit the gym. Now, when it comes to lifting weights, there are a few essential pointers I want to share with you. These tips have made all the difference in my own fitness journey, and I'm confident they'll help you too. Track your workouts. This might seem like a small thing, but trust me, it's a game changer. By keeping a record of your workouts, you can ensure that you're consistently increasing the weight or reps for each exercise every week, guaranteeing progress and keeping you motivated. Form over everything. It's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of lifting heavier weights, but never sacrifice proper form to do so. Not only can it lead to injuries, but it also hinders your progress in the long run. Time is precious, and we all lead busy lives. If you find yourself short on time during a workout, focus on compound movements. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, giving you the most bang for your buck. Listen to your body and rest when you're sore. It's essential to give your muscles time to recover and repair. Pushing through the pain might seem hardcore, but it can actually hinder your progress. There you have it, my friends. A workout plan that's simple, effective, and adaptable to your individual needs. By combining this routine with our personalized food plan, we'll be unstoppable on our journey to a fitter, more confident version of ourselves. So, let's lace up those sneakers, grab our gym bags, and make every workout count. We've got this. Part 3. 5 game-changing tips to stay motivated and crush your body transformation goals. All right, my friends. Before we part ways and embark on our incredible body transformation journey, I want to share a few personal tidbits of wisdom that have made a world of difference for me. These 5 pieces of advice have kept me on track and motivated throughout my own journey, and I'm sure they'll help you too. First and foremost, always remember that none of this advice matters unless you actually get started and stick to it. It's easy to read or listen to fitness tips, but the real magic happens when you put these words into action. So take that first step, stay consistent, and watch as your hard work pays off. It's crucial to recognize that in order to see real change, something needs to shift in your life. We often get stuck in our routines and comfort zones, but if we genuinely want to transform our bodies and lives, we must embrace change and commit to making it happen. Here's a little trick that's worked wonders for me. Skip breakfast and have some caffeine to curb your appetite and minimize caloric intake. It might sound counterintuitive, but it's been a game changer in helping me manage my hunger and stay on track with my diet. Remember, my friends, you only lose if you quit. We all have our ups and downs. Even I've had my fair share of bad weeks. But the key is to not let those setbacks define your journey. Stay focused on your goals and keep pushing forward. One bad week is nothing compared to the amazing progress you'll make in the long run. Finally, don't rely solely on the scale to measure your success. Sometimes the numbers won't budge, but that doesn't mean you're not making progress. Instead, measure your waist. You might be surprised to find that you've lost an inch, which correlates to about 3 lbs of fat loss. Celebrate these small victories, as they're a testament to your hard work and dedication. So, there you have it. 5 personal pieces of advice that have helped me stay motivated, focused, and on track throughout my fitness journey. I'm confident that they'll make a difference for you, too. Remember, we're in this together, and with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of patience, we'll achieve the body transformation we've always dreamed of. Let's do this. So, that's it. our 3-part program designed to help you shrink your belly and reduce body fat just in time to rock that summer body in 97 days. The secret sauce? Staying consistent with both your food plan and exercise routine. Trust me, follow these steps, and you'll be flaunting that beach-ready physique you've always dreamed of. Now, if you found this video helpful, I'd truly appreciate it if you could hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content on healthy living. Your support means the world to us. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to click the link below to download a handy guide filled with even more tips and tricks. Plus, we'd love to hear your own healthy eating and workout hacks. So feel free to drop a comment below and let's get the conversation going. Remember, we're in this together. Let's make this summer the best one yet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more body transformation tips and advice. Feel free to share your progress in the comments below, and let's motivate each other to achieve our goals. Now, let's get started on that summer body. Catch you guys in the next video.